Hey guys, in this video you're going to see me show off this new puzzle box that I have made. I tried to do a video on it, but it kind of failed, so this is actually my second time trying to do this video because one of the mechanisms wouldn't work right, so I had to adjust it. So first, what you've got to do to solve it, turn it around to this side, this little thing here, pull it to the left, then that will loosen this thing, pull it out, it gives you part of your key. The other part is up here. Stick that in there, and now you got your key. But where does it go in? Well, you've got to pull this out of there, slide that, then you can stick this in a little hole that's right there, and you should be able to unwind it. Oh crap, it's doing it again. But this thing needs to be at least there to be able to allow you to push it out. But first you gotta whack it here to get this out. Then you can push back here. Oh, come on. Just a second. There. So, then you can pull out your drawer. And you'd have whatever you would want in there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. So yeah. Then to reset it, this is where it failed before on resetting. Push it in, stick this here just to fill in the space, and hopefully it'll work. Oh no, 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 no. Why is it doing that? Why does it keep doing that? Okay, there. So I finally got it to lock. Now stick this back in right there. This thing still needs to be out because you've got to put this part of the key in there. Then take and lock it. It's kind of challenging to lock sometimes. Okay, got that. Then slide this, put that back in, put this part of the key in there, close it, slide it back in there, and ta-da! That is the puzzle box. Don't have enough time to be able to show you the mechanism, but yeah, so thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to do things for videos, let me know in the comment section down below. So thanks for watching this video. Bye.